Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. A staple in any wardrobe is a plain black cardigan, and I have found the ultimate black cardigan. This is by Jennie LIU, and it is 100% cashmere, so the quality is mwah. It is so comfortable. It is so soft. It goes with so many outfits.
I love how versatile this sweater is. A black cardigan goes with everything. Black leggings, jeans, my dresses, skirts. I wear it all the time. As you can see, I wear an extra large and it fits me very true to size. There are buttons that go all the way from the top to the bottom, depending on how much you want to button. The material is 100% cashmere and it is extremely well made and very, very soft. I love this sweater. They have it in several colors, but I like black because it matches everything. It's cinched around the wrist and the waist, and I love the length. It's just past my waist.
So if you're wanting to add a really high quality black cardigan to your wardrobe, go ahead and get this one. You will love it. You will want to wear it with every outfit just like me, and that's my point of view.